Welcome into my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming my space. This is something I really enjoy doing, so I really hope you all gain some inspiration and some ideas from this video. So creating this space and just coming home to this beautiful space really, I believe, will make a difference. Like, just the simple little things transform your space to make you just feel so much better inside and just make you feel so much better about being in your space. And it's in your home, so why would you not want to feel amazing in your own home? So thank you for listening to that long-winded intro. This is my bedroom before. So we had a comforter set that was blue, so that's where the pillowcases came from. But this is like a fleece blanket. It's super warm. But as you can see, it's not like, it doesn't have a theme. It coordinates, but it's nothing, spectacular. It's pretty much bare minimum. So first things first, my first idea was to tackle the nightstand area. I first wanted to get more organized. I actually have built-in bookshelves in my closet, so I was like, why not put the books over there? And then I did a little shopping around for nightstands. I had these for a few years, and they don't really go with the color scheme I was going for. So you guys, I found an incredible deal on a nightstand from IKEA. It was under 10 bucks, and I was so excited that I found it. So this is me just quickly putting it together. It was super easy. I'll link it down below if any of you are interested in this nightstand. But this is not the nightstand I ended up going with because it was just not what I thought it would be. I put this back in the box, sent it back, and then had to think of a plan B to change up my nightstands because I am trying to do this on a budget, and there were plenty of nightstands that I saw, but I wasn't trying to spend too much on this room transformation, and so that's when you get creative. So this is what I decided to do instead. I decided to spray paint the furniture that I already had. So this is the spray paint. I'll link it down below. So it's really worth buying the one in this type because this type just covered the furniture really nicely and it didn't drip. So I ended up running out of this type of spray paint and then went to the cheaper one, and I saw that there were drips, and that was very unfortunate. That's not what you want when you're revamping furniture, especially if you're trying to transform your space into something nicer than it was before. So I am going to attempt to move this bed. As you can see, it's not just a headboard, but it's I guess you would call this a baseboard, but it's like more room over here than over here. I always felt like this side had more room, and it does, but it's because of the placement of the bed. So I'm going to attempt to center this bed. I ended up going back and forth with this bed a lot, so I decided to bring out the big guns, and that is the measuring tape. So I measured both sides from the corner of the wall to where the headboard is, so I knew exactly what measurement I needed to move the bed to. I don't know if y'all caught this on my nightstand before, but do y'all ever just have gems that you just hold on to? So this is one of them, and I just spray painted it gold, and it looks great. The nightstands are done, and they look great. They're nice and dry. I brought them inside to dry just because they're white, and I did not want debris, leaves, dirt, or anything flying into them while they dried. So I found these 600 thread count sheets at Ross for 30 bucks. So I'm not too big on sheets and spending money on sheets. I usually just get the cheapest thing and the color I like. But I was like, since I'm redoing this room, I want it to be for a purpose. I want it to be relaxing and something I can look forward to. So I was like, why not get, you know, the high thread count sheets, because they're supposed to feel better, I guess. So these can run from like anywhere from like $60, $70 to $100 at this high thread count. So definitely go to Ross, TJ Maxx. Those are like my go-tos. Yeah, so let's see. High thread count sheets definitely feel better. I am a believer now, guys. So I recommend them, just in case you're wondering. So I got a couple of things, both from Walmart. I was doing a bit of shopping around and they had the best prices. I was trying so hard to get blackout curtains because a lot of them said like 99% blackout or close to blackout. And I'm like, why are so many saying 99% blackout, you know? And so the 100% blackouts, I could never find them in a good color. And I finally found this color. This is, what color is this? This is the color Wheat. And then, of course, I already talked about how I got this kind of like a cream. And then these have storage bins in the color Tan. I got to go underneath our nightstands because, as you saw before, I just had a whole bunch of papers, a whole bunch of books, and I want to get it a little bit more neat and organized. Sometimes it's the little things, guys. I found this at Hobby Lobby on sale, and I absolutely love it. And it has like a built-in, you know, I don't have to put the Walmart bags in here. These definitely should not be called blackout curtains. What I did want to note though is I got them shorter, which is probably not a good thing because the light is peeking through, but I just felt like it gave me more space over here. The blue curtains were hanging all the way down to the ground and kind of took up that corner, and so I kind of had no corner, but I like the length, I like the color. I'm so glad I saw these at Walmart. I really just stumbled upon them and they turned out to be perfect. It already looks so clean and airy already. I love it. I got a package that I was waiting for from IKEA. I didn't even open it up yet. That's how they only use like one strip of tape, but that's fine. It got here. These are the lamps. After I set these up, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate, and then that'll be that. I'm really glad that this was super easy to put together. I don't know if y'all ever shop at IKEA, but their things are like so simple to put together. Yes. Voila. And this is how the light looks. I really love how it came out. I love how this went with my vision for this room. Lastly, I'm just going to come in and place the plants and the DIY decorations that I made for this room transformation, and then it'll be complete. To hang this feather DIY that I made, I simply put 2 nails in the wall and then hung the wooden piece on top of those nails and kind of pulled a little bit of the rope to cover up the nails. To hang this craft stick wall art that I made, I got some 2-sided tape and simply put it on the back of the wall art and pressed it into the wall. I found these really cute water bottles at IKEA. Now just trying to figure out where to place the mini plants that I bought. I just love all these plants that I bought. I'll be going in depth on all my plants in a separate video in this series. For this wall decor, I ended up just putting 1 nail in the wall and just hanging it right on top of that nail. I still have these. I don't want to overdo it, so I really do love how these came out. However, I do not think I will hang them. I went a little overboard on the plants. I still have about, I don't know, 4 plants that I didn't put in the room. I will still put them somewhere else around the house. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. So this pillow you've been seeing is actually a pillow cover. So get a little creative with it. Think a little outside the box. This pillow came with one of my bed sets, and somehow I had this pillow cover. That's a little tip if you want to not throw away your pillows, but you're sick of them or want to revamp them. Find a nice pillow cover. For one of them in my bathroom. This carries on the boho theme too in my bathroom. If you want to see how I created this, I will leave a video in the cards. This is the last touch. They go right with the theme. Look at those. It's so easy to change knobs out. Check this out. Go in here and just lefty loosey this bad boy. If your drawer does detach and you can pull it out, just pull it all the way out. It might be a little simpler for you. And then voila, those come off. That screw comes out. This came with a little what do they call this, a washer, along with this piece. Stick that right in there. Put the washer, put this piece on right before you put the washer. And then you don't even need tools for this one. Just twist it on in there. And then boom. I really hope you all enjoyed this room transformation. Let me know in the comments which are your favorite things. I'll be posting a DIY video of how I got these decorations. Most of the things I filled this room with, besides the plants, were from the Dollar Tree, and I just literally love how it came out. I will try and link the things like the lights, the knobs for the drawers, and things like that below in case you would like to get those items or similar. And please stay tuned so you can see the final outcome in side-by-sides of the transformation. for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you gain inspiration that you can do it too. You can transform your space into something so beautiful. All right, guys, stay blessed.